Hi everyone. Today we'll start the topic which is business entities. How many types of business entities are there in the US taxation? This topic is relevant in USCPA in the reg subject. Also it is relevant for the enrolled agent. So let's start. How many types of the business entities are there under the federal income tax in US? If I talk about broadly, guys, there are two types of entities. Double tax entities, let's call it DT, and pass-through entities, let's call it PT. Double tax entities and the pass-through entities. Let's start with double tax. What is double tax, everyone? As the name suggests, where the tax shall be levied at two places. So for example, if I talk about the company is having the P&L, it is having sales, cost of goods sold, other expenditure, and then comes PBT. On this, the company is going to pay the tax, and then whatever is left, it will give to its shareholders. Now here, shareholder will also pay the tax on it. So it is tax number 1. It is tax number 2. Since the tax is levied at two levels, these are called the double tax entities. One of the example is C corporation. Then we have another kind of companies which is known as pass-through entities. Pass-through entities. For example, everyone, same illustration. Let's say this is the company, it is having sales, COGS, other expenses, and PBT. Now, this will not pay the taxes here. It will just pass on everything to its owners. For example, here the shareholders. Now, the shareholders will pay the tax on it. Shareholder will pay. That's why it is called as pass-through entity. Why? Because this entity passed through everything. This entity passed through everything, whatever is the gains, whatever is the losses, any expenditure, all of it you are going to pass it to your owners. That means shareholders. For example, if I talk about the pass-through entities, we are having S corporations, partnership firms. These are the types of the pass-through entities. Here the tax is levied at the owner's level itself. Going forward in the coming classes, I'll cover the S corporation in much more detail. It is extremely important topic for both the USCPA reg subject and for the enrolled agent as well. Okay, so I'll make the series wherein I'll cover the much more detail about the S corporation. Please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the information around that. Okay, thank you.